Hello, Diargos here. Welcome back to my Factorio series, the Manhattan Project. So we're just continuing right where we left off in the last episode. Okay, so I need to hook this up. I almost messed that up a bit and forgot that I had heavy oil. So let's spin this around. I think we can do it like right. Connect it up like that. And then I just need to run this right there. All right, and that should work for that. Okay, I know I could have done that at the end of the last episode, but it just kept dragging and dragging, and it was running really late as I kept going on about my build here. So I need to make a new blueprint. Let's delete some of this. So we don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that one. Okay. Alright, that's the one I want. I should actually do that before I forget. I forgot last time. So I'm just gridding this back out so I can add stuff there when I feel like it. I picked up all of the existing roboports and power stuff, everything, because it was just all over the place. It was not well organized. And this will let me kind of reorganize things a bit from scratch. Okay, I'm gonna shift click that. I don't know if it needed it, but there's some stuff over there. Okay, back to this. We'll just kind of keep trying to remember to do that. I do have everything here that I need, right? This was petroleum gas will come out this way, oil up here, or water up here and oil right there. Okay. So this is the final blueprint that I want. And I can put down a whole bunch of these and have lots and lots of oil production, I think. Okay, get rid of that. And we actually want to name this something productive. We can call this one, we could use a letter like O. O for oil and a refinery, or just O. Nah, let's do a refinery at least. That's best. Okay. You know what I should do? Actually, let's make it kind of cool. Let's do a refinery there, and the letter O in the middle. No, it's not. Okay, it's not going to do it. All right, that's fine. I was hoping it would do 3. I forgot. It just does 2. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Let's take that. And what I was saying at the end of the last episode is now that I fixed up the heavy oil, I can do something like this if I fix the pipes a bit, which wouldn't be too hard. And then I have got, it's a little bit more compact that way. Then I could copy that and it's 2 in 1. In fact, you know what? I'm going to do that right now, because I'd rather have that than the other one. So let me build that out. And we'll fix these pipes up now, have that be our final blueprint. Okay, so I can get rid of, it's a little tight in here. It's really hard when you have 6 exoskeletons in and you're on concrete and you have to like do some really fine tuning. What I think I might do, I'm going to pick up, since they're so close to each other now, I'm going to pick these up. I'm just going to have normal pipe through here. Yeah. I probably should just use this. Oh, it's too. Is that a problem? Yeah, it's a tiny problem. Go like that. Okay. I was going to use my deconstructor tool, but I'm just not going to bother with it because these right here are going to be problematic. What is that one? Oh, there is a pipe there. Never mind. Oh, okay, that's fine. All right. I guess I should use my deconstructor tool. We are. Okay. That one's light, but that one's heavy, so I don't need to connect that one up, obviously. And then right here, let me do this. Just the pipes, and then it'll be easier to just run this along down here. Okay. Don't want to hook up that one, so that one's good. Okay, and then I do want everything to kind of plug and play here, and then I can spin it around. I can spin it around if I want to have it come from the left side. So, with that in mind, clip the water there, and the oil, and okay. And now, hook these up on this side, and we should be good. So that one's going to be water, right? Now again, I don't know if I should have done the calculations. I forgot to do those. All right, we'll figure, I mean, it's not going to matter. I can just swap out the pipe. Okay, so interesting problem here. I just realized that this is off. Oh my goodness, are you serious? Serious right now? Okay, these are lined up, but these are off. So it's going to be one or the other. And I'm pretty sure I'd rather it be these two lined up because they're right next to each other. It's more noticeable. All right. Well, I mean, just got to do it. Just got to do it. That's what blueprints are for. I'm going to get these two. And I'll leave the pipe here because... Okay. All right. Taking our time. Let's try that again. This one, right? And that, so I did, I don't even know. I did that. It needs to be like that. Okay. And we don't want these. Okay. And that's hooked up there. Don't need a pipe there. Okay, so my problem, the reason why I noticed it is because oil needs to come. Where is oil coming out of? Right here? Oil's gonna have to go on the inside of water. Like right there, I think. And I was looking at it and I saw that this was blocked. Okay. So oil and water, and then we'll keep these together for making it look nice. Kadoke. And then oil goes in here. Oh, come on, give me a break. So close. Maybe I should push this up. Can I push that up? No, it won't matter because this is... I don't think I can start that one here. Yeah, doesn't matter. All right. There, and here, let's back it up. One, and then we'll just go like that. That's fine. Okay. So now water comes in somewhere here and oil comes in. Good question. Maybe like right there or down there. I mean, that's not too hard to figure out. And then we can do this on either side, but I think like that is a good pipe out for the petroleum gas. Okay, and then I can stagger those, or not stagger them, but tile those. So let's delete this, get a new one. Thank God for blueprints. All right, going up and around. Check out all the pipes. Check. Change that to O for oil. Okay. You know, I didn't even test this, so maybe we should test this first. We can test this. Where could I test this easily? Too bad I took the water pipes down up here. I took them all down. The oil is still right there, though. Is that my only oil? I've got some right there. Okay, that's pretty close. We can test it up there. I don't think I have all the parts I need. I'm gonna leave this here in case I need to tweak it or adjust something, and it should be easier. What was I missing? I don't think... Let me grab some more pipes before I run up there. Okay. Pipes. I'm trying to use up the ones I dismantled from the base before I grab some out of the other chests. But don't think I have too many left. Anyone see pipes on here? I thought I had at least one chest full. Alright. Well, I'll just go grab some over here. Top side. We need to be consuming these resources, so I need to get oil done so that I can get red circuits going, and then even still with red circuits, blue circuits, I think they're backed up right now, so I need to get like modules going because that will really eat them up, and the modules of course feeding the rockets, and that'll be how I consume all this stuff. Okay, so here's an oil resource. We'll put down... Okay, there's water. So we'll put this down like right here. And even though I could rotate it, I'm going to keep it this way just so that if I want to change something, it's not rotated in my head. I can easily go right side or left side and not get confused, because I get confused real easily. Okay, let's hook this up. Not powered either. Okay, we'll power you. Oops. Okay, whatever. There we go. So this is my first base oil, like my starter base, and it really wasn't pumping a whole lot. Just enough to get some red circuits out. Okay. Okay, so there's my oil. Oh, I'm gonna need a water pump too, I think. Whoa. Ugh. Alright, I have to go get that. I have a chest with 40 somewhere. Let's let them finish up. And really, it's going to be hard to test to make sure that the ratios are right, even though when we're looking at them, it's 5 and 3.75, right? So I'm pretty sure the ratios are fine. But just to see if it doesn't back up at all, right? Like I'm going to have to test that in production. And not right here because I don't have time. It might be one of those things that if it was a problem, it takes too long to figure out. What are they missing? Okay, a couple of those. All right, let's grab the water pump and it's apparently water pump. Right there. Okay, I'll take 2. And I have a bunch of modules over here. So I'm testing really just to make sure that there's no leaks in the pipes, right? That everything is hooked up correctly before I drop the blueprint a bunch of times. and get my bots to build it. That's really what I'm looking for. Just make sure that everything fires up, runs, produces. Okay. And we'll put water right here. Let's connect it right here. Okay, so do they have oil? No, they do not. Whoops. And now it should be running. Let me go stand in the middle. So I think I'm missing another. What's missing? Oh, I don't have another beacon on me. But I don't see the beacon that's actually missing. Oh, it's that one right there. Okay. Yeah. Well, that worked. I've got petroleum gas now, but this is not running because it's backed up already. Because it's interesting. So it's backed up with petroleum gas, so it's not processing enough over here, so I need to get a storage tank or something to test it. But I don't really need to, because now, just looking at these to make sure that they have stuff in them kind of confirms it, right? And then this doesn't have water. Okay, so see, there's a problem. Ha. Right. Oh, okay. Okay, this is, I remember when I did this. This is from the other side. So that's the issue there. I think the water should come on this side then. Yeah, so there's... it's the same issue though. Oh man. I still think the water should come on this side. However. But problem is... Now I need to fix this thing right here, because this is light oil that needs to find its way. You know what I'm gonna do for this one? I'm gonna not curve it around, and I'll do it like this. Curve it down instead. Right here. That's awesome. Okay, that works out well. The only thing I don't like is that the water pipe just sticks out a little extra here, a couple squares, and it's just the water pipe, but that's okay. Alright, so they've got everything they need. Check. I think this is going to be good now. I need to make sure the other row, though, that one up there is good. But there's definitely petroleum gas in the line. They've got water. Okay, I think everything is hooked up. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna disassemble this now. I know I'm assembling and disassembling a lot, but it's kind of worth it. You saw what I had to do there, so I remember that now. And I can just go back and make that change right here on this side. I don't have to worry too much. Let's connect everything. Alright, so the bots have finished clearing that stuff up for me. Just gonna head back now. I wanted to pause it because it takes a while and I'm really just kind of standing there letting them do all the work. Okay, so this is where we wanted to fix it, right? So right there, take that down. And also take this off because it's not connected to anything. Just want to make sure that's clear. And final bit for the water. Okay, and then we've got that pipe, this pipe, and that pipe. And now that should be good. Oops. Oh, and Was there something else over here? No, I don't think so. I swear I just realized it and I went over there because I didn't want to mess with that. But it's the same thing here. It's just I wanted to do the other side because I've got all these input pipes and the output pipe for the petroleum gas. All right, so I'm going to do one more blueprint here. And this is the one we will use for our production oil processing. And everything. Oh. That's all the pipes. All right. Cool. And we'll have this get dismantled because we're going to use all these supplies. So we'll let them do that. Uh-oh. Don't want to dismantle that. Or that light. And I'm missing a rubber board here, I think. Be right there. All right. Okay, so let's bounce down here, and in the next episode, this is where we're going to be working. We're going to fill this out. I think I need to actually get this paved. So I can probably still do that in between episodes, let the bots take care of that. And pretty much we were right here. So this is like one. So not like maybe half of like one square, but it's not a square, it's a rectangle, but same volume or same area. So you can imagine we could fit a lot of oil processing in here. I don't think we need that much, but we also need, that's just to get the petroleum gas. Next, we need to do all the stuff with plastics, batteries, sulfur, that kind of stuff, sulfuric acid, and the bottling and the barreling and distribution of that as well. So that's coming up in the next probably 2 or 3 episodes, I imagine, and I'm looking forward to that. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.